Okay, hopefully this one's not too crazy. I wanted to talk about how YouTube can be such a necessity in life. No, but seriously, welcome back to the channel. My name's Berkshire. Thank you for checking out these videos. If you enjoy the content that I create and the photography that I take and the videos that I make, then please like, comment, subscribe, and turn that bell notification on below and tell a friend about the channel. Now let's get into it. No, seriously, I just want to blow YouTube up, because if it wasn't for YouTube, then I wouldn't be the person I am today and I wouldn't have the career that I have. Okay, no, so I'm not proud of what I'm about to say. I'm not proud of it at all. I'm a high school dropout. I didn't mean to be a high school dropout, but I had family problems and I was a little bit of an emo, depressed kid, and I was really focused on, skateboarding and playing drums and just not doing schoolwork. Anything that had to do with history, math, social studies, science, I didn't care about any of it. I just wanted to skateboard and I wanted to play drums. I was obsessed with music. I didn't care about anything else. So that's it. I never went back to school. And even though I'm insanely not proud of the fact that I'm a high school dropout, YouTube changed my life. YouTube made me the artist, the creator, the worker, the hustler. YouTube gave me the opportunity to pretty much go to what I call YouTube college. When people say, how did you learn how to become the photographer you are, the videographer? How did you learn all this, man? I go, well, I went to the college of YouTube. No, but seriously, I went to the college of YouTube. This platform offers a way for you to learn and grow at anything you want to know in life. I wanted to be a great photographer. I wanted to learn how to edit in Premiere. I wanted to learn videos. So what did I do? In 2017, I got on YouTube and I started watching tutorial videos. I just wanted to know settings. I just wanted to know my shutter, my aperture, my ISO, white balance. What do these things mean? Why do I need to use them correctly? How do they function together to make you more successful? And then I started opening Photoshop, and then I started opening Lightroom, and then I was like, I want to do video, and I'm starting to record, and then I'm like, what's the best video program? So I type in Premiere. So then after I type in Premiere, I watch a couple videos, and all of a sudden I come across this guy, and he's got about 50 or 60,000 followers, and his name was no other than, you already know what I'm about to say. Yes, obviously Peter McKinnon. And I know that everyone on YouTube talks about this guy. I know that he's most talked about YouTuber and everybody's inspired by him, and I'm just one of many others. But in the year 2024, I can honestly say that Peter McKinnon changed my life. I can honestly say that without his videos and his tutorials and everything I learned in the beginning, I would have been so inspired to make videos, and I wouldn't have been so inspired to learn editing in Lightroom and Premiere and just learn everything that he showed me watching all of his tutorials over the years. And then I watched other people, and then I got onto people that he was introducing us to. And then I got onto just stumbling onto more and more. And then I learned, and then I just took all that knowledge, and I just kind of over the years became who I am today, which my wife and I have a very successful content creating career where we both create photography and video, and we shoot weddings together. We shoot product content, videography for Amazon products. I shoot video for the NFL and football photography and video. I travel with bands and I go to huge festivals and shoot concerts. And there's just so many things that I learned on YouTube, and there's so many benefits to watching YouTube videos. So the one thing I really wanted to impress today is, if you want to learn something new and you want to get good at something, I want to encourage that the first thing you should do is you should jump on YouTube and you should just type it in. How do I get into this industry? Or just, how do I learn this? And that goes for literally anything. You could want to learn how to do anything, and it's on YouTube. So guys, get on YouTube, learn how I learned. This website gives us the opportunity to learn a skill that is so needed in today's world. Everybody in this day and age wants content, and photos and video and reels and TikToks, and it's 2024. We're creating content and visual, and just getting people to watch content on your phone is one of the most popular things in our country, let alone our world right now. So I want to heavily encourage you, if you want to learn something new, you have to get on YouTube and you have to learn it, because I did, and it's possible. Without the power of YouTube being my college, without the power of a professor like Peter McKinnon, I would not have learned everything I learned. And now I have a career, and I bought a house, and we bought cars, and my wife and I are successful because I took the time in between being a cook in a restaurant working 50 hours a week, being exhausted, coming home, doing my laundry, eating, and just sitting down, trying to do shoots on the side and make a little bread. The point was that every night I turned on YouTube and I waited for that next video to teach me something new. So get on YouTube, learn something new, take advantage of this platform, and that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Until the next one, you know the deal. Peace!